Corporate events are getting bigger and better, introducing more innovation, integrating more engagement, getting better results. But can these events have the same impact when conducted virtually? Welcome to Grundfos Smart Factories Virtual Expo 2021. Attended by 3,500 plus partners and customers from 50 plus IMEA countries. Here's what made this virtual event a global success.
We are happy to see here all our esteemed partners, customers and industry professionals.
A 360 degrees immersive experience with 3D simulations. Green screens for product demonstrations. Exhibition booths built from scratch, integrated with live chat features. Product launch for CRXL with animated presentations. Live webinars with 500 plus audiences per session. Academy learning. And live gaming zones. And so much more. The global event was made possible due to a virtual experience that could bring people from all over the world together. Exhibit 360, virtual events by Blues and Coppers.